Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to the Simply Brilliant community. Wherever you are, whatever your time zone, I greet every one of you. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Joel Olonoluwayinde, also known as Sapphire Joel, one of the many voices in our Simply Brilliant community. I just want to do a brief and a short tutorial on how to take our SBC Educational Training Lesson Module 1. So guys, as we are all familiar with our dashboard, log into the SBC site and click on Login. Then you input your password. Then you input your username. You input your username. Then you input your password. Then it will display to you and it will bring you to your dashboard. I believe you are well familiar with the dashboard. So after that, you navigate and click on the menu bar, the menu icon at the right hand top of the page, and it will take you straight into the SBCBO, where you find all the different menu. So now you click on SBC Edu, and it will open, and you now click on Launch, SBC Edu Launch, SBC Edu Launch, SBC Edu Launch. You click on it and it will open. The first page you will see is where you are to meet all the global facilitators. For the English, we have Augustine. For the Bengalis, we have Nasrullah Dadabai. For the French speaking, we have Innocent Keba. And for the Philippines, that's the Filipinos, we have Noli Rebel. For the Hindis, we have Said Abdul. And if you are using a mobile device or a tab, you will see the blue button, the blue box beneath the Meet the Team. Here you see the blue box, you click on it, launch the SBC Edu, and it will display the next page for you. This is the individual users archive, and to launch into the quiz, you click on the three bar at the left hand side of the page. You click on it and it will display the user home. Here you click on take quiz. And it will bring you to this page. I have already selected my language. The next thing it will show you is select your language. So once you select your language, the language will be set. I have already selected my language, which is English. And right here you can see this is the video, the link to the video that you are to watch. Unfortunately, the video is not displaying on for everyone to see presently, but the administration are working tirelessly to fix that. So you can copy the link. You can copy the link, copy it, and go and watch it on the YouTube. Go and watch on YouTube, and don't forget, get your writing pad, get your notes, write down, jot down, and ensure that you understand the training. After that, you come back to this page. You come back to this page and you click on load questions. Load questions. You can find that beneath it. So once you click on it, if the network is not allowing you, try it again. It will open. They are working on it. Aha, it has opened. So it's the network. They are working on it, but it's the network. So when you click on it, the quiz will open for you. Everyone has 5 questions to answer with 4 options. So I may not display the question for security reasons so as not to breach the policy. So guys, the questions are beneath here. It will display the question to you. You go there. Based on your understanding of the training, the video, answer those questions, choose the correct option, and at the end of the quiz, you will see submit quiz. Click on it and submit your quiz. That is all you need to do. And don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry, because we have a whole week for each module. One week per each lesson. So we have a whole week. So don't be in a hurry. Ensure you understand the quiz properly, and at the end, after answering your questions, you click on submit quiz. Ensure you get all the answers correctly, and wait for the next week's presentation. Thank you guys. Before I end this short video, for as many who are yet to activate their accounts, you are yet to come on board, this is the time. The time is now. Stop procrastinating. We are here for a business. So come on board, pay your program fee, activate your account, and join us. Don't wait until it's too late before you join us. Thank you. Take care. Bye for now.